Hi guys, Steph here. Look at this lovely little pen. And when I say little, it is actually quite little. Look at that. Look how small and dainty it is. This is actually a Conway Stewart Dinkie fountain pen. Now this model has a gold plated or gold filled overlay, as you can see, and the pattern are they're actually stripes running the length of the overlay, as you can see there. To the very top there we've got this, well, it's a ring top model, so you can see the sort of ring there that can be sort of hung onto a lanyard or a chain, whatever. And you've got the black end at the bottom there. The pen, I believe, is made of black vulcanite. So we've got a Conway Stewart. The model, I'm not particularly sure, but I believe it's a similar model to the Conway Stewart 526. So this may be just a 526 in black, as I say, with this gold filled or gold plated overlay. Okay, if we show you the lever, there you go, you can see it's got this, again, gold plated or gold filled lever with a Conway Stewart logo there. It's got quite the large sort of lollipop end to the lever there, but all in all, in absolutely gorgeous condition. There's no dings on it, etc. And I know there's people out there that collect the Dinkie pens, so what we'll be doing, we'll be looking for a new home for this one. So if anybody's interested, they know where to contact me. Let's give you a couple of little views, different angles. It's been fully restored, fully cleaned, new sack, etc. There you go. You can see the section there and the top of the barrel, again in black vulcanite, I believe. And we've got the gold nib to the top there, a Conway Stewart 14 karat gold nib. There's a sideways view for you. And if we show you the feed underneath there, you can see the feed there, lovely and clean and ready to go. Now I'm not going to do a writing sample because, as you see, with my large hands it's quite a small pen, but if we lift you the lever there, okay, there's your lever lifted up. As I say, we've put a brand new sack in the pen, so it's ready to go. So it's looking for a new owner. I know there's people out there that collect these Dinkie pens, and I believe these with the overlays, well, they're not rare, but they're less common, I believe, than some of them. So if anybody's interested, please contact me and we'll take it from there. So there we have it, a lovely Conway Stewart Dinkie from around about, I don't know, maybe 1930s, in beautiful condition, new sack, ready to go, ready to write if you've got small hands. So I hope you've enjoyed looking at the pen as much as I enjoyed showing them to you. Don't forget, leave a comment down below, don't be shy, and have you subscribed? If not, subscribe now. And don't forget, wherever you are around the world, please stay safe. But for now, I'll just say bye bye for now.